welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. Holiday special. Not really working on anything, but it is Christmas Eve morning, and well, I'm gonna be working on things in a little bit, but I'm not gonna make this video. Got a little bit of time to get some stuff addressed on this chopper before festivities, if you will. Just wanted to take a minute. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to everybody that subscribes to the channel, watches the channel, anybody that stops by, whatever it may be. Thank you guys. I never thought channel-wise that we would be at this point initially. Figured, you know what, I'm gonna try just turning the camera on, see what happens, and overall, I'm very thankful for the entire YouTube community and everybody that's chimed in over the course of the last year and a half, 2-3 years. I don't even remember how long it's been, 3 years now maybe, but a bunch of people just kind of sticking around through the oddities of all the stuff we're working on, whether it's shovelheads, ironheads, car stuff that's outside, or now a tractor. The boat was in there, trailer stuff. It's just whatever's keeping me busy. I like trying to stay busy, if you guys haven't noticed that, but we're always jamming and trying to grow and do something new, something exciting, something different. And my brain is not the best in regards to focusing on all of the things at once. Instead, it's whatever flavor of the week, if you will, if you haven't noticed on the channel and what stuff's getting done. But yeah, just, you know, wanted to take a minute and say thank you to all of you guys. Happy holidays for all of you, whatever it is you choose to believe or partake in. But at the end of the year, a couple things typically tend to happen. You know, you get your reflection time of the last year, things you want to do for next year. We want to keep growing. We want to do another chopper barn party. I think we got a date tentatively set for that, so that should be coming out somewhere soon on the other socials. Lots of room for growth. I know we've done a lot this year. I was just looking back through some of the videos from this year, and lots of things I didn't expect. I didn't expect to be up here at the chopper barn. That was kind of a curveball that got thrown in right after I dumped a ton of money on a trailer. And, you know, that growth mindset, I guess. I don't mind racking up a little bit of debt here and there. I mean, little is relative, but this spot, this place has given me a huge opportunity to grow and do a lot more things. Getting into the industrial blasting, the compressor, enclosed trailer, the tractor, extra bikes, softails, customer bikes up here. Like, all of this stuff would not be possible, not because of necessarily the subscribers and other people, but people, networking, being kind to people, mutual customers. The fact that we used to trade work back and forth with the guy that used to be in this barn. All of these different things have happened in the course of my life, in the course of doing not just the YouTube, but in general. Knowing people, talking to people, networking. Get out there. Don't be a dick, you know, just especially around the holidays. I know it's supposed to be a happy time for everybody, but a lot of people, it's not. There's a lot of things involved with that. So I know this is an off-kilter video, and I don't want to go too crazy in that regard, but I just wanted to take a moment and do something separate, acknowledging, thank you all for the support. You guys in the comments section, all of the regulars that pop in there, random people that pop in and just leave a comment or two on old video that I haven't thought about in forever. It still keeps popping up, and, you know, a lot of people grateful that I've made the video in the past, even though I never really thought anything of it or whatever else it may be. But the community here has been awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Especially, you know, trying to grow the channel, how the algorithm works. Every one of those comments, I guess, helps. Still amazing to me. But I have learned so much from the comment section, whether it's bike stuff, car stuff, or things that I didn't necessarily do the right way, but can address, fix, change, or somebody could tell me, oh wow, you did it that way, that worked, but you could have just done this. I make a mental log of all of those things and just add it into the mental toolbox of things to improve on in the future. So I'm willing to make an idiot of myself. I'm willing to make a fool of myself and document errors and things that work, things that don't work, because that's real life. Some things I have to redo 4, 5, 6 times. It's a pain, but that's how the world goes. I don't like doing the quick cut and edit, make everything look picture perfect and send it out in the real world, because to me that's not real life and I have no interest in doing that as a channel. So genuinely, from the Wrenching Wrecked crew, I know it's too early for Daddy to be up and doing this and didn't want to bring the dogs over this morning, but we appreciate all of your support, all of your feedback. For anybody that's popped by at any of the swap meet events or came by the Chopper Barn party, bought merch, any of those things, we are greatly, greatly, greatly and sincerely appreciative of all of that. Dottie loves doing the t-shirt design. She loves doing creative ideas to kind of improve and grow. And every one of those shirt sales and all the other things, just coming by, saying hi, having a beer, whatever it may be at a swap meet. I know I've said it a million times, but for real, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year from the Wrenching Wrecked crew. We are so appreciative, and we hope you all the best. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.